I am happy to introduce the revolutionary app for traders and investors in the markets based on highly accurate, artificially intelligent algorithms, from the legend, Alex Vieira, with an uncanny track record since 1989. We are the first to bring real-time AI portfolio analysis, AI bot trading, and AI risk analysis for the iPhone, iPad, Apple Watch, and Apple TV. Watch the magic synchronized across your devices. Access highly accurate AI data analysis, and AI bot trade signals in a custom dashboard. Trade, stocks, ETFs, Forex, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. We help you make better decisions by ensuring your most important, accurate, and reliable portfolio analysis is always a glance away. Choose your own portfolio and widgets according to your budget, or go with one of the available artificially intelligent plans. I invite you to enroll in the free course to learn how simple it is, and to learn what no one else can do. You are one step away from dramatically improve your life according to hundreds of legitimate users' reviews. No one can beat you using artificial intelligence in the markets.
Hi, Alex here with Autonomous. Today I'm going to show you how you can install the Autonomous app on a desktop as well as how to install it. Before I proceed, I'm going to refer to the fact that this app is a progressive web application. So what is a progressive web application? You have here the definition on Wikipedia, and this idea came originally from Steve Jobs. So he had a great idea, great vision, and we followed up. Okay, so if you wish to know more about the performance of these apps, you have thousands of reviews on the web. For example, you have it here. They load stuff fast, feel incredible, responsive, and remain functional even when network connectivity isn't the greatest. Okay, so they run completely offline. So I'm going to start. And I'm going to start by typing here the address of the app. And this obviously to install it on a desktop, because you can also install it on Android or the iOS, however, following different instructions. So I'm going to click on this button here, which appears automatically on your Chrome browser. And I'm going to click on install. And it is done. As you can see it here, the app, it is here, automatically opens. So the only thing that you have to do here is to log in to your account. Okay. Now I'm going to show you how you are going to install it. Okay. So to install it, you open here a window where you type Chrome /apps. You have here the app, and now I'm going to install the app. I'm going to choose the option remove from Chrome. You can tick this box if you wish. I'm not going to do it, and I'm going to click on remove. And it is done. This is how it is done. The app disappeared automatically. Okay, thank you.